Oh, real quick Jeep YJ update. Put the new roof on simply because the old one was letting water and it was getting soaked inside. It was all ripped up and crappy. So I put the new roof on, which I was going to wait till summer because it's a pain to stretch them over the frame, but got it on. Put a roll bar pad in, not too sure I love it. Like the front pads, not sure if the second and back pad are any good, to me anyway. I'll leave them for now. The back seat area is done, the rear carpet is done. Steering wheel's back in and the frame has been sandblasted and painted. There is no rot on anything, just with surface rust. Again, there's the floors. That's not rust, that's just dirt. Oh, there might be a tiny little bit of surface rust there. Oh, a tiny bit. It's just dirt. Yeah, I'm gonna have to treat that. It's a tiny bit of a rust bubble. And same on the front. Frame has been sandblasted, and that was just surface rust again. And I'm gonna fill the frame full of undercoating. The sandblasting sand got everywhere. It's a major pain in the ass. But oh, and I have rims going in for tires tomorrow. These are the original, oh God, what's the name of these rims? There's a name for them. Anyway, I sandblasted these and you can see that the rivets are all missing. And the original, whatever the name of them is, someone put it in the description. There's a name for those rims. They came on the Renegades and something else. Anyway, that's the rivets. When I was sandblasting, the heads of a bunch of them were popping off. So I checked, they're a one-piece wheel. The rivets are nothing but cosmetic. So I just popped them out of the back with a punch and a hammer. It took like a minute per wheel. There's 20 per wheel, so you just pop them off. You can get replacement rivets, plastic ones and stuff on the internet, on Amazon or whatever. You just pop them through. With a socket, just push them through from the front. Different colors, different whatever shapes. I don't know if I'll do it or not, or if I'll just leave them as they are. But same with the frame, undercoated, and you can see there's a couple rust bubbles here, barely visible on the side. See them there? Not that dent at the front. Those are factory spot welds that Jeep doesn't give six shits about. But that's one of the reasons that I made sure I put the top on, because water was just getting in, and water inside is going to cause rust from the inside. And this thing, I believe this thing sat outside for about 4 years in storage, with just covered in snow and stuff. Anyway, a little bit there and a tiny bit there. Not that it's anything to worry about on a Jeep. And it looks like, you can see the front is obviously been repainted, which you can definitely see through the camera. You can't see with the naked eye as much. But I believe that's just from stone chips and stuff, because the frame, the windshield frame and stuff, was never repainted. So it's probably from being towed behind the RV and just rock and stone chips and stuff. They probably repainted the front. So anyway, that's my update for now. Nothing much else to tell you. The top looks great. There's a King soft top. It really fits nice. It Velcros around the original removable door tops instead of the originals that were sewn in. These ones Velcro on, and they fit really nice. Everything worked out. It fit perfectly. So now I won't be getting water inside the damn thing and causing more damage that I just don't need. These are really... I've been soaking these with penetrant for 3 weeks now, and they are not budging. But they got to come off and get sandblasted and painted as well. And waiting for a new rear tailgate bar. The one that was in the truck wasn't the right one, so I don't know about that. Anyway, quick update. Sorry, might have took a little longer than quick, but that's what we're doing. I can't get my damn horn to work. It's not getting ground through the steering column, probably because the bearings, it's just been sitting for so long. There's probably a little bit of residual rust on the U-joints, and the bearing I probably over greased inside the steering column, so it's not getting a ground through the column. It's supposed to come all the way up through the steering column, and the horn grounds to the center of the steering column. So Zippo. This is an attempt to extra ground it, which didn't work, but I figured probably when I'm driving, it's probably just going to hopefully, fingers crossed, dirty fingers crossed, loosen up and get itself moving. And I'm just leaving this as it is because I've got to still pull the transmission out and replace the clutch. So that'll be fun. Anyway, thanks for watching.